Are you thinking of repotting your ZZ plant? How can you tell when it's time to repot your ZZ plant? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to repot your ZZ plant and how to tell when it's time to repot your ZZ plant. When to repot your ZZ plant? Before we get into how to repot your ZZ plant, let's first go over how to tell when it's time to repot your ZZ plant. There are 3 things to check for as you decide whether or not to repot your ZZ plant. First, check for signs that your ZZ plant has outgrown its current pot. If you see the roots coming through the drainage holes of your ZZ plant, this is a sign that your ZZ plant has outgrown its current pot. It's time to repot your ZZ plant. Another reason for repotting your ZZ plant is it's overcrowded and root bound. If you see your ZZ plant looking like this, bursting and overcrowded, then it's definitely time to repot your ZZ plant. My ZZ plant is in a plastic pot. See the tubers sticking out of the sides of the pot? If you have a ceramic pot, you might even start to see cracks on the pot. That's a sign that your ZZ plant is overcrowded and it's time to repot it. A third reason to repot your ZZ plant is it's been 2 years since you last repotted your ZZ plant. Your ZZ plant should be repotted once every 2 years. If it's been 2 years since you last repotted, then it's time to repot. Your ZZ plant will benefit from the fresh potting mix and larger pot. Do you need to repot your new ZZ plant? Newly purchased ZZ plant don't need to be repotted immediately, unless it is in a pot that has no drainage holes. Check the bottom of the pot of your new ZZ plant. Are there drainage holes? If there are no drainage holes, then you should repot your new ZZ plant. You don't want your ZZ plant to sit in soggy soil. It can cause root rot, which is fatal for your plant. Also, if you bought a new ZZ plant with roots coming out of the drainage holes and looking overcrowded, then you should repot your new ZZ plant. What soil should you use to repot your ZZ plant? You can use a well-draining organic all-purpose potting mix, or you can also use a well-draining organic cactus mix. Only buy organic soil because the fertilizer is not as concentrated in organic soil. Non-organic soil should really only be used for outdoor plants. What size pot should you repot your ZZ plant in? Repot your ZZ plant in a pot that is 2 inches larger than its current pot. Make sure you pick a pot with drainage holes. Also, if you have a large ZZ plant, make sure your new pot is heavy enough so it doesn't topple over. When is the best time to repot your ZZ plant? It's best to repot your ZZ plant during the spring and summer months. How to repot your ZZ plant? Step 1. Remove the ZZ plant from its current pot. This is not an easy task if you have an overcrowded ZZ plant and if the roots are coming out of the drainage holes. Tip the ZZ plant upside down and shake it out. Worst case scenario, if you really can't get your ZZ plant out, break the pot. I have my ZZ plant in a plastic pot and I use scissors to cut the pot in half so I can get the ZZ plant out. Step 2. After you remove the ZZ plant from its pot, gently massage the soil to loosen the roots. Loosening the roots will help your ZZ plant establish roots in the new pot. This is also a great time to divide your ZZ plant. In my case, I'm dividing the ZZ plant into 3 plants. Check out my video on how to divide ZZ plants. Step 3. Fill the bottom of the new pot with an organic potting mix. Make sure you crumble any soil that is in big clumps. Step 4. Center the ZZ plant in the new pot, then fill the side with potting mix. Don't fill to the top. Make sure the tubers are not completely covered with soil. Step 5. Water your new ZZ plant thoroughly. Then move it to the same spot that it is used to in your home. A word of caution about your ZZ plant. ZZ plants are toxic to dogs, cats, and humans. If you have pets and small children, keep your ZZ plant away from your pets and small children. Don't let them chew on the leaves because it contains calcium oxalate crystals which can cause vomiting and difficulty breathing. Please like and subscribe for more houseplant guides like this. Check out my other houseplant guides. Thanks for watching!